Y'all want to try to get him?
Let me kill him.
Go ahead.
Let's show him what's to get him, Shay. He's got that forward shape.
Got him that time.
Suck a dick.
Nice shot.
There's some pooches coming in the beaches, if you know.
Got him on.
So them ducks going, they got a little something off over there? Oh, that's all landlocked.
That's all landlocked.
Oh, well, he'll die then. Fucking boss. Shoot him.
Got that one.
Oh, I fucked that off.
Oh,
Right.
did you hit anything?
I don't think I hit it.
I know me and he'll kill him.
Oh, here's one coming back.
Look, two of them. One.
A little close.
Blackbirds.
Blackbird.
It took me a second to adjust to that cane in front of me.
Well,
Bruh, that's what fucked me up.
One high.
Yeah, right up, but he's coming in right now. Get him, Shay. Hold on. Yeah.
Yeah, that mother.
There you go.
Yeah, this cane fucked me up.
Oh, you got him?
This cane had me off.
Yeah, me too. You don't want to knock it all down, but it's tall.
That duck's about $15 worth.
Yeah.
Well, we got like, wait. Yes, teal.
Mhm.
You want that?
I don't care. It's up to you.
Yeah, look. I don't want to shoot your decoy.
Shot.
So that's what, one?
Little teal.
Dude, that duck is still not dead. Shay, sling one at him.
Where's he at?
Right there.
Over there.
He's phone child now.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't want to waste any more of my bullets.
Nah.
You fucking do it.
Yeah.
Them ball shot shells ain't cheap. Alright, I gotta knock that down tad.
I told you.
Huh?
Do what you gotta do. I know you're a little gun shy knocking cane down in front of me. You know I'm a little.
Not really. Look, I'm gonna bend it your way.
I get a little.
How about that?
I remember.
I don't wanna bend your cane.
Dude, it's fucking bad as I'm shooting today. I don't even want to turn this motherfucker on.
That thing's gonna be.
One shot. Get him.
Got that one. Look right here.
Oh shit.
God dang, he's hurt.
Yeah. He was way
Yeah.
too fucking close.
Yeah, he was hurt. So,
That's a nigga.
nope, yep. Yep.
I hope you can edit that.
What you said? This whole thing gonna be edited.
Right over the top of us. There he comes. To your side, Sharon. Right here. Right over the top of us. Coming to your side, Charlie. Right there. Right here in the middle. Get out of here. He said, Mallard Drake. I said, get the fuck out of here. Come on. Look, 3 right there to your left. You see him? No, low on the water. Okay, there's 3 up high over there too. That's not. Where'd he go? He's gonna go meet them, son. That's teal. He went with them, the teal.
Stay still. Oh. They might sneak around his back. I'm gonna get my call.
Those teals swooped in right on the side of us. Come. Look, oh Lord, right behind him.
Shoot.
Son of a bitch.
Golly, I gotta sling it.
That's Florida.
Think I get one, Charlie? Oh, you might get 3 in one shot. Watch this. That's a fight.
See if they come this way.
Got him. Might have to pop him again.
I gotta film. I'm fucking with it.
I get him. Watch your ears, Charles.
Yeah.
All right.
I guess you just ain't worth the fuck for out here.
Did them bitches dirty. That was pretty. Come straight over the back of us, huh?
Charlie, when you gonna shoot something, bro?
I killed one of those.
You did?
Yeah, I killed one. Killed one.
Come on in. Now I can't see them. I think they landed. There's 2 right there. See them? Look to your left. They come around the back. We should have shot them.
Yeah.
Watch to your right. Watch to your right. To the left some more. Look, Shay. Oh, Lord have mercy. Shoot them. Oh, they're right behind them. Look at them right here. Right in front of us.
I want to shoot some over here because I think we can get some of these.
We can? Hold on, them other ones are coming around the back, I think. All right. Y'all ready?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Got that one.
I wasn't gonna try it.
We dove.
Sorry, could have fucking landed, but that's
He's flapping a lot now.
Yeah, I think he's so.
Here they go. Good Lord. Take them. Oh.
Dude, what?
Dude, I had to aim so far in front of that bird.
That's fucking retarded.
Oh, wow.
I don't know what y'all got, but I got both of mine.
Where'd it go?
I got 2 down. Bruh. I can't hit these motherfuckers.
I couldn't get them. I was putting it dead on their head too.
Shit, that one? I swear I had to aim probably 3 feet in front of it to hit it. Nope. Come on, Papa.
I'm shooting one. I got one.
Here they come.
They flared.
Yep.
He was gonna land on your nose.
Alright.
Is that snow goose?
Yeah. So we can paint.